Peace. What's going on, guys? How y'all doing? It's your boy Serrano, and everybody who likes technology nowadays knows that the Bluetooth Apple AirPods are probably one of the most popular, in the US market as far as like Bluetooth earbuds. But these right here from Huawei, the Flybuds, are probably the most popular ones that you can get like in China. So basically, shout out to Trennis. So the real ones right here, you can see that these are the Flypods. And in Europe and China, these things are definitely pretty sick. You can see that they got wireless charging. Just look at the ratings on these things. Almost 5 stars. You're getting waterproof IP54 as well. So these things have a lot of cool features that people, in the other part of the world are actually using, and they don't really use Apple. So, these are definitely looking really sick. So, what I found was that they actually have cloned these things as well. So, you can see that the price is right here. They offer, this says right here, sound waterproof headset, the Honor Flypods, but they're basically going to be, it says right here, use iOS 10 version above. So you could use these for pretty much, Apple devices as well. You're getting a charging case. You're getting the 2 earpods as well, which is sick. You can see right here, ergonomic design. You're getting the charging case with lightning cable, it says right here. And you do get earphones 60 minutes, 2.5 hours with 15 hours with the box. So I'm really curious to see what these things have to offer. I have the package right here, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna cut this thing open. I have my knife in my pocket, and let's just go ahead and so you can see right here we do get a package. Let me go ahead and cut this open. Alright, so we're just gonna place these down right here and just take a look at these in some more detail. But this is gonna be definitely pretty cool. I'm looking forward to checking these out. So right here it says the X20S truly wireless stereo headset, the double V.5.0, and you can see the design on these things looks cool. It's got this really nice polish on the box where the logo where the buds are, which is cool. It has texture on it. X20S. So that's actually sick. Then when you turn these around, you're getting all the features of this thing. So it has the twist lock, never falls out. Then it has the durable build, sweat proof for active use, universal for iPhone and Android, 3-button mic, which has music. Whoa, so you're getting volume, music, and call control with these. It says that it does have the sound pure bass performance, 8 hours of battery, and the ratings that these things have, you could see 218 orders and almost the same exact rating of the originals. So I couldn't resist. I wanted to check these out. Wireless as well. It's a pure bass sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and and you can see that we're greeted right here with the X20S right here, which is gonna emulate and kind of mimic the Flypods. So you can see that we have a nice polished black case. It's nice and polished black. The bottom has the lightning, I believe, and you also do have a button on the back with the LED is as well. And when you open them, you can see that you do have 2 earbuds, which look pretty cool. So you can see right here, the design of this thing has that hook on the bottom, which is going to be better to lock in your ear than the AirPods. So that's going to actually be pretty interesting. Let me lock that in. Yeah, that just hooks right onto your ear because of that little loop right there. But I might have to charge these. Let me just push the button on here to see if there's any charge. Light when you press the button, and it shows that they're charging. See a little light when you take them out turns on, this little red light on there, but it's not really, you can't really see that like Like if I was to have these on outside and I put that on, you can't see that whatsoever. Okay, so this is lightning. We're definitely getting the lightning. You press 5 seconds to turn on, double tap on the right ear and it flashes. So you can double tap left channel for pause and play. Hit the left channel for previous, hit the right channel for next song. They're still charging. You just open that up and let me see if anything happens down below, if it shows up when I open these. Right here. Which one is this, the left or the right? Yeah, it does have that twist to lock in the case. It's not gonna fall out because they're like, you have to twist it to get it out of there. And then you put this one in and I can hear a beep, which is cool. And you can see the ergonomic design on these is a lot more ideal for like people with bigger ears like me, where I need that extra hook to latch on to these things. And I seen Eric Drummond's channel and he had something similar to these, so I'm not quite sure if it's the same thing, but let me see. I'm gonna long hold this for like 4 seconds to see if it pairs to them. And then let me just hit search. And then there they are right there, the X20s, X20S. And now I'm gonna wait for those to pair up. It says connected. So they're both connected. Let me go to the music real quick and just go to Spotify. And we're gonna play a quick song just to test out the audio quality. Then I want to test out the video playback to see if there's any latency, and then I'll do a quick phone call. Like I might like order some Chinese. Wait, do I have cash on me? So let me play some rock music real quick. It's the Silver Sun Pickups. I don't know if you guys ever heard of those guys, but if you're into different genres of music, not just one genre, definitely check those guys out. Let me see. I'm gonna listen to these real quick. And let me see. So it says that they're playing right now. I got these all the way up right now. Okay, so let me adjust these in my ear a little bit. Nice rich sound. Sounds really good. I can hear the instruments. I can still hear my voice though. I'm not like struggling to hear my voice, but the sound is definitely good. I just adjusted it and it sounded a little bit louder when I did that. But those lock in. Let me do the shake test. No, they didn't even move. They moved a little bit, I guess. I like the sound on these things. Let me listen to some rap to see how the bass sounds. Alright, I'll just go to anything for right now. Gorilla Glue and Feliz Navidad. Alright, so the first thing I notice is they're not the loudest. They don't get the loudest in the world. So those sound good. I don't know if you can hear the mics on those right now, but those sound pretty good. Yeah, those sound cool. I want to hear the video playback right now. Let me just test out the latency real quick, and then we'll make a quick phone call. Alright, the lips match the words perfect. There's no latency, there's no issues whatsoever with the playback. So I'm gonna test out a quick phone call real quick and see how these how these are gonna work out. Call Mr. Lee on Burke Avenue. Okay, she knew what I was talking about. Mr. Lee's kitchen. And see. Alright, it's ringing. Hi, how you doing? I was wondering, do you guys take credit card over the only cash? Okay, let me go to ATM. Okay, thank you. All right, so she hung up on me, but the call quality sounded really good, and so overall these definitely look cool. Let me go to YouTube, and the playback was definitely sick. But if you found this video helpful, let me know. I definitely think these are pretty cool. Let me just play some more music on these things. When you take one out, it still continues to play. Let's see if it can stops when you put it in the case. Nope, it still plays, so you can listen to one individually as well and just rock out like that. But I'm about to go eat. I'm hungry as hell right now. But thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Serrano. I definitely think these are pretty cool, but make sure you guys stay locked in for more videos, and I'll check you guys on the next video. Peace.